Okay students, now the third one is the cross multiplication method. Okay, so in this third method, it is a very interesting method, out of these three methods, this is the most easiest one. So try to understand, though you will think that this is very critical, very hard, but this is very easy process. Whenever in any maths, suppose it is given that solve for x and y, no process has been given, substitution method or elimination method or by cross multiplication method, it was not mentioned that in which method you have to attempt, then go for it with the cross multiplication method, because you will get the result, you will get the answer very easily. Just check it out. So beforehand, let me tell you, whenever we are attempting the cross multiplication method, we have to take all the things this side, that is x part also, y part also, and the constant value also. Now let us start by applying, first of all you write like this way, by applying cross multiplication method, comma, we have x by minus y by 1 by. Okay, x and y, these are the two variables, but keep these things in your mind, x will be the positive and y will be negative. Now what are the things will come under the x in the denominator, so just block x. Now just check it out, the coefficient of y and the constant 3 and 5 here, the coefficient of y is 3 and the second equation coefficient of y is 5, and for the constant is here 8 for the first equation, and for the second equation 14. Okay, now for y, again you block this part, so x, coefficient of x for the first equation is 2 and the constant is 8. Similarly, the coefficient of x for the second equation is 4 and the constant is 14, and for the constant means here coefficient of x for the first equation is 2 and the coefficient of y for the first equation is 3. Similarly, coefficient of x for the second equation is 4 here and coefficient of y for the second equation is 5. Now what we will do, second line or the second thing, again you just write like this way at first. Okay, now go like this way, up down and down down. Keep these things in your mind. I am writing here up down minus down up. Yeah, you have to keep these things in your mind. Up down, down up. Look at here. Up down minus down up. That means 3 into 14 minus 5 into 8. Okay students. Next here also up down down up. That means 2 into 14 minus 4 into 8. Similarly 2 into 5 minus 4 into 3. So what you are getting, x by 3 14s are 42 minus 40 equal to minus y by 28 minus 32 equal to 1 by 10 minus 12. Yes students, so I am rubbing few part so that I can proceed. So what you are getting after that, x by 42 minus 40 means 2 equal to minus y by 28 minus 32 means minus 4, and here 1 by minus 2. Now whenever you are finding the value of x, you are willing to find out the value of x, you take these two components. That means x by 2 is equal to 1 by minus 2. Okay, I am rubbing this part. So x will be 2 by minus 2, that is x equal to minus 1. In similar way, when you are finding the value of y, minus y by minus 4 is equal to 1 by minus 2. That means y equal to 4 by minus 2 that means y equal to minus 2. So ultimately you are getting x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 2. These are the final answer. Very clearly it came the value of x and y. Okay students? Okay students, so another one more question I have taken. Ax plus by equal to a minus b and bx minus ay equal to a plus b. So look at here. Here as I told, we have to take everything in one side. So rewrite the given equation. We have ax plus by minus of a minus b equal to 0, correct? And this one will be bx minus ay minus of a plus b equal to 0, correct? Now by applying cross multiplication method, we have x by minus y by obviously 1 by, correct students? So x by, as I told, so coefficient of y, so b minus a minus of a minus b minus of a plus b, correct? Here a b minus of a minus b minus of a plus b, correct? And here a b and b minus a. Now do the cross multiplications, up down minus down up. What you are getting, let me write at the top. So x by, what you are getting, b multiplied by this one, that means minus of a plus b minus minus plus minus minus plus and ultimately minus a into a minus b equal to minus y by, again up down minus down up, so a into this one, so minus a plus b and minus minus plus b into a minus b, correct students? And 1 by, again apply the same method, up down minus down up, that means a into minus a, that means minus a square minus of minus b square. Okay, so you got this one. I am rubbing this part. Ultimately you are getting what? X by minus ab minus b square minus a square plus ab, correct? And here you are getting what? Minus a square minus ab plus ab minus b square equal to 1 by minus, if you are taking common, a square minus b square. Okay, so look at here, here positive ab, here negative ab, obviously cancel out. So remaining part is x by minus, if you are taking common, a square minus b square plus b square. Tell me yes or no, because both are negative. If you are taking minus as a common, so here it will be coming as a positive, that is equal to minus y by, here also it will be positive, minus y by, here ab, here positive ab, here negative ab. So if I minus a square minus b square, again if you are taking minus as a common, then a square plus b square equal to 1 by minus of a square plus b square. So ultimately you are getting x by minus of a square plus b square equal to this one, 1 by minus of a square plus b square, correct? So from here you can calculate that x equal to 1. Yes, in similar way, if you are taking the last two component, here we have taken the first component and the last component and then equate it and get the value of x, that is x equal to 1. And if you are taking the second component and the third component, means the last component, what you are getting? Minus y by minus of a square plus b square is equal to 1 by minus of a square plus b square. So that is equal to minus y by, both are same here, so minus y equal to 1 means y equal to 1. So ultimately what you are getting? The value of x and value of y. So therefore x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 1. Yes students, this is the final answer. I hope it is clear to you. Okay.